Gonna try to go maybe that island, or there's an island way over there past these folks, or maybe even down that way. We'll see. Hoofing my way over, we'll try that island and then make our way across to that island, hopefully. Water is dark green. Apologies for the voiceover. The GoPro was in and out of the water, so the mic wasn't working too well. The sound quality was generally pretty poor. What I'm doing here is I'm explaining what the clam rake looks like. It's essentially a normal rake attached to a basket. And what will happen is the rake teeth will dig into the sand. The sand will come up and through the basket. The sand will filter out, and any clams will get stuck in the basket. And then you just scoop it up, whatever you have in there, you take out and put in your bucket. So let's look at how you would take this and actually rake the sand in the ground. So here, what I'm doing is I put the rake teeth, the tips, into the sand. It goes in, or should go in, at least 2 to 3 inches, because that's where the clams are going to be buried. You dig it in, you put the handle on your shoulder, apply pressure downwards, and just slowly take steps backwards, all the while raking through the top layer of sand. You want to make sure you have pressure on it. That way you're constantly digging down. What you're looking for is the rake teeth to hit something hard. Hopefully a clamshell. Here, I just hit something hard, so I'm digging with my hands to see what I hit. And luckily it turned out to be a clam. So let's take a look at some of the underwater footage that I got. The reason that my mic sucks so much all day. If you notice, as I am raking, sometimes I'll hit something hard, and you could sort of hear it on the GoPro, but honestly, you can feel it 100 times better if you actually have the handle on your shoulder. If you're lucky, you can get the teeth to scoop the clam into your basket. That works if the clam isn't too big or too small. The small ones will fall right through the gaps in the basket. The big ones are actually going to be burrowed a little bit too far deep, so that it'll be difficult for you to get your rake teeth underneath the entire clam. That's going to be the situation for most of the day today. Most of the clams are way too big, so I had to dig around with my fingers in order to try to get it. This is a blue crab. It looks like the cloud and the dust that I picked up made it curious, so it came by. Just look at the size of that crab comparatively with the size of my clam rake in the basket. That was definitely a keeper. It's got to be 3.5 inches to the tip. That was definitely over that. Yeah, if I was just a little bit quicker, maybe I could have scooped it up in my basket and had a little bit of crab along with my clam. But honestly, I didn't even see it. I didn't see most of the crabs that we're going to encounter here today. So after about 30 minutes, as you can see, I think we had about 15 clams total. They were pretty big. Each one, I would say, averaged like 3.5 inches. The largest one, maybe almost 5. I completely forgot to show the camera the clam on this one. My bad. That one was a good run. I think I got like 4 pretty large ones on that. Nice. A couple more. And this bag's gonna get too heavy for me to carry. Oh moly. I'm getting tired. Safe to see them. Gotta be safe. why I do this. This is why I do this. For this moment. For this moment. Sun setting. Ramen on the beach with clam juice. This is life. I can kind of taste the clam. Like, it's like shinramen with a slight seafood flavor. It's like a cross between shinramen and like a jampong or like a doguri. You know, with like that seafoody. It's very subtle, the clam. Not as strong as I was expecting. Maybe next time I just use all clam juice instead of cutting it with some water. I'll have to try that next time.